sing a song about the blood of Jesus. Power that Satan cannot stand. The blood, the power in the blood of Jesus. There is power in the blood of Jesus. Oh, the blood, the power in the blood of Jesus. I plead the blood, oh, the power in the blood of Jesus. I cover my life in the blood of Jesus. I cover your life in the blood of Jesus. I cover my home in the blood of Jesus. I cover my blessings in the blood of Jesus. Oh, the blood, the power in the blood of Jesus. There is power in the blood of Jesus. All the pastors in the blood of Jesus. Evangelists in the blood of Jesus. Men and women in the blood of Jesus. All the children in the blood of Jesus. Hospitals in the blood of Jesus. In the prisons in the blood of Jesus. Oh, the blood, there is power in the blood of Jesus. Cover my mind, my soul, my spirit, my dreams and visions, emotions, intellect, imaginations in the blood of Jesus. Oh, there is power in the blood of Jesus. Oh, the blood, the power in the blood of Jesus. Satan must bow, I say, in the blood of Jesus. Demons must bow in the blood of Jesus. Sickness must bow in the blood of Jesus. Oh, the power, there is power in the blood of Jesus. Powers of darkness, you can never touch me. Witches and wizards, you can never touch me. All the demons, you can never touch me. Evil dreams, you can never touch me. Powers of darkness, you can never touch me. Forces of darkness, you can never touch me. Ancestral spirits, you can never touch me. Spirits of the dead, you can never touch me.